First thing in this visit to Delhi, as was mentioned when I left from here, that I had sought 19 appointments with different ministers and officials, and but I managed to meet 20 officials and ministers, including the Honorable Prime Minister. So this trip was very positive, and we managed to cover many areas. Details of that as the days come by. A lot of developments have taken place after the meetings that took place in Delhi, and I will be briefing the press on those developments as we come along. Coming to the questions that you have asked regarding the meeting in Delhi, it was a very, very positive meeting. When the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and myself met the Honorable Home Minister, all the officials of MHA were present out there. We had a detailed discussion on both the ILP and the MRSSA, and we were discussing with the Honorable Minister regarding the fact that MRSSA has been lying with the governor. With the MRSSA Act is with us, and we need to move forward on how we can start implementing it. So in that discussion, the Honorable Home Minister had said that we need to ensure that the system should be there, your objective should be met, but at the same time, the citizens of this nation should not be, we should not cause inconvenience to the citizens of the nation. So therefore, he urged the officials from the state as well as the center to sit together, thrash out the issues, and find a way forward in this particular situation that we are in. And that was a very positive move, because earlier, as I said, we were not able to move forward in this discussion. But now the Home Minister himself has asked us to work together and find an amicable solution to the MRSSA. That's number one. Number two, when I asked him to that the different organizations would like to meet him because they could not meet him in Shillong last time because of paucity of time, he then suggested that he will be coming to Shillong for a 2-day visit out here, and he'll spend 2 days out here. And he, in fact, has expressed that he would like to sit with different organizations, understand what the issues are, and discuss with the organizations on why this issue is there, how to take it forward, and what are the concerns of our people and of our state and of the organizations. And he also expressed to us that he would like to assure the people of the Northeast, not just us, that yes, identity, culture of the people, language of the people is important. And from his side and the government side, Government of India's side, whatever needs to be done to protect it, they will ensure that they move towards it, but must be done in a manner which is acceptable. It must be done in a manner where we carry everybody along, and must be done within the constitutional provisions of the country. So therefore, I think it was a very, very positive meeting, and the fact that he has agreed now to spend time out here and listen to all the concerns of the individuals. In a joking manner, he even mentioned that he will have lunch with everybody, he will discuss with everybody. He said, I will spend hours because it's an important issue, it concerns the nation, and it's something that as a government, Meghalaya government, we have been mentioning about it a lot. So all these aspects came out. So it is a very important issue, and we have been moving forward with it. But we have to understand that these are issues that do take time, in the sense that we have to discuss with Government of India. There are different aspects related to it. There are different states which are affected by it. So it's not something that can just happen in one go. So the process is on. There's commitment from everybody. Government has raised this issue, has passed a resolution, is moving forward, and is continuously pressing with Government of India. And this engagement will continue. And I'm happy that the Honorable Home Minister has decided to come to Shillong and really sit with different organizations, different people, and really understand the issues that our people are facing and why these kind of different demands are there. And I think that will lead to a positive solution in the future.